Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning back into my video. So I promised that would have some more artisan showcases for you, and I have delivered. Um, I thought that I wasn't going to do this until next week, but it turns out that my mail day actually came by a little bit earlier than I thought it would. So here I am to show you guys my latest artisan keycaps. So I have with me today two very cool, very new watchers from Ritual Master. So Ritual Master is an American-based keycap artisan artist. Yeah, and he hasn't been very active with sales and stuff for like at least a year, I think. I assume he has a bunch of personal life things to attend to, and that's to be expected. But he does have a sale every Saturday for a month in October, and these sales are known collectively as Watchtober. It's a little bit of a play on the one of his caps is like most recognized caps, the Watcher. I was lucky enough to win one of the watchers that he raffled off last week, and I actually won two of them. So I'm really excited about that because the watchers are actually one of my favorite keycap sculpts. There's not enough of them out there, and the people who do have them, they're not really giving that up because they're like, collecting watchers, and it's hard to take something away from a collector. But anyways, I have two watchers now, so I'm very happy with that. First up is the Emerald Dreamer Watcher. The Emerald Dreamer Watcher is a cold cast keycap, so that means that it does have a metal layer to it. So basically, this cap has a lot going on. It has so many different colors. It's really amazing to look at in person. So hopefully my camera can catch the nuances of this cap. I know that last video my camera did get a little bit blurry when trying to focus in on everything, so hopefully it does not do that this time. If it does, once again, I apologize. I'm still trying to work out all the bugs with all my videos and such. But anyways, this watcher has a very cool like teal blue green going on. It has like these tinges of blue, a lot of like lush dark green, a very light like lemony green. It even has like some specks of like dark blue or red. There's just so many different colors going on here. It's crazy. And then at the very top you can see kind of a copperish tinge. With cold cast keycaps, you can actually artificially force them to rust, and so hence it'll like give off a gradient looking color, when you're trying to force it to rust per se. This is super cool because you get like a bunch of different colors going on, and the keycap's actually pretty heavy too for a keycap. When you like put a cold cast cap in one hand and put like a normal keycap in the other, you can definitely tell the difference. Hence it being made with metal. So I really like the watcher mostly because it's like a simple sculpt per se, because it has like the eye sockets and then it has the eyeballs. But I just think it's a very beautiful like canvas for any colorway that you can think of, like the colors just show up really nicely on these, and I love looking at them. Honestly, that's probably why they're so sought after, because like basically any color will look nice on this. There's so much like creativity in terms of like artistic freedom as well on like the colors that you can mix and match and put on here, so it's really cool. And then up next, I have the Sunset Split Watcher. This one is actually so cool, like really cool. I honestly hope that my camera can catch this correctly because this thing is like bright. It's in your face bright. So this keycap features a very bright neon like hot pink, and then that like has a subtle gradient into the very bright neon orange going on. They're like both honestly look like highlighter colors. It's crazy. Like when you look at this in person, like it's just crazy. Like indoors it looks super bright. Outdoors, dude, that's like times 10 brightness. It honestly captures the sunlight so well. Probably hence the name Sunset Split. Someone actually asked me if it was UV reactive, and I was pretty curious about it as well. So I took my handy dandy UV flashlight, shined it on this cap, and it's honestly so bright. Like, it's lighting up like a Christmas tree in my hand when I hold it with this flashlight. So suffice to say, it is very UV reactive. It just makes like these colors right here just like brighten up. Like, I don't know. It's just really crazy. It honestly looks like those neon signs that you see like on stores or in like Vegas or something. It's really a crazy colorway. And honestly, these are just so cool. I can't get enough of them. I like keep taking them out to look at them because I like every keycap that I come into, but these are just really special. And I also wanted to show off another watcher in the collection as well. So this watcher is called the SOL watcher. It was once again won during a Watchtober sale last October. This one is a monochrome looking watcher, so it just features black and white. It has one white stripe right across the eyes. And then the eyes are actually black, but they do have these small droplets of white in them. So the droplets don't look the same, so the eyes kind of look like different colors, but I think it looks cooler that way because it kind of looks like they're like buggy or wild or crazy eyes or something. I don't know. But it really just adds to the character of this cap. And this one is actually UV reactive as well. So if you shine a light over it, the eyes just like sparkle up. It's crazy. It really like makes it look like an owl, you know, because like you think of an owl, you know, you're outside at night, the light's reflecting off of it, it looks super spooky, and this cap looks just like that. It's crazy. But overall, I am very, very happy with my Watchtober wins. There's only, I don't know how many weeks left. 2 weeks? 1 week? I don't know, but hopefully I can manage to get another watcher win in there, but we'll see. I did get some feedback from my last video, so I'm working on it. I am slowly but surely improving on the quality of my videos and stuff. I know that they're kind of lame. They're like very noobish. Cause you know, this isn't 2009. We haven't just started watching people vlogging. I know what nice YouTube videos are. I know what they look like. It's just a matter of like investing in all the equipment and such. And you know, like I like making videos. I like showcasing stuff, but you know, I don't. It's not something, you know, I'm trying to make my job. It's just like a bit of a hobby, and with all hobbies, you know, you just gotta make sure that you're spending wisely, you know. And I do want to get nicer stuff. I just don't want to, I don't know what the word is, just like throw in all my eggs in the basket. I don't know. Cypher uses all these different like American terms, and I don't know what they are half of the times, and I like mix them up because like I don't use them, my family doesn't use them, my friends don't use them, so I don't know, but I assume the term is eggs in the basket. So yeah, I don't want to put all my eggs in the basket and you know, have my little passion for making these videos die off and I'm left with all this stuff. So I just try working with what I got, but you know, I do want to make nicer quality stuff, so I'm working on it. I do have a very cool keyboard review coming up soon, so hopefully you guys are gonna like that. As always, please let me know if you have any feedback for me, if you want to trade with me, if you have anything to tell me or ask me, you know, just always hit me up. I'm always free. And as always, thank you so much for watching my videos. Hopefully, I'll see you guys the next time. Happy clacking!